Good morning, Wave Fam from Barcelona, Spain.
I'm Ashley, this is Josh. Welcome to our channel.
We sold everything we had to travel the world, and now we want to share with you the way away.
So be sure to subscribe down below, give us a like, and hit that little bell to follow more of our adventures.
Let's go. Alright, as I mentioned, we are in Barcelona, Spain, because today, for the very first time, we are going on a cruise with you guys on this channel. We did one like a couple years ago,
yeah.
But it was a really janky cruise, not with this one.
Not good weather.
It was, I mean, it was not a great experience. But this one is going to be a great experience. We are partnered with Royal Caribbean Cruise Lines to share with you one of the maiden voyages of the Symphony of the Seas, the currently largest cruise ship in the world.
Yeah, we're here with a bunch of other content creators, so we're excited to actually get to know them, share them with you guys, some new creators for you guys to keep an eye out, and new friends for us to make.
But Ashley and I are some of the only like YouTube video creators that are here on the trip. So it's us, the Endless Adventure, whom you know, and we announced that we're going on a trip with, and then a surprise one, which I only found out about yesterday, but I was totally aware of. I just didn't know they were coming on this trip. Jevin Dovey has a channel, a lot of tech stuff around drones, but also travel content. I think he has a production company, so he's very well versed in tech. Probably more knowledgeable than myself and Eric combined.
It's super fun with these things because we know of these people, but we've never met them in person. We've totally talked online, so it's fun to have online friends become actual real life friends.
So this is us getting onto the ship, getting into our room. It's not going to be super produced. It's going to be kind of vloggy. And we're just going to share our experience with you as we get onto the ship for the first time. Man, like, first reactions.
It's going to be awesome. I cannot wait. We heard that we have a balcony in our room.
And then
it's genius.
Oh no, he's right here. I think we're good then.
We all stopped talking.
Yeah, I know. You all stopped talking. Oh, and then we have the newbies here. Hello.
We have the newbies on the
Well, they're not new. We just haven't actually met them before. This is Jevin and Rachel.
Your guys' dead cats can hang out with each other?
Yeah, there we go.
Is it going to just be a dead cat party?
Make them kiss.
Are you on the GH5 as well?
Yeah.
Nice. Good call.
But you can fit together.
One at a time. Little fatties. Excuse me. And this is our bus. So everyone that you see in this shot is like a quote-unquote influencer.
Yeah.
We're all like micro-influencers. It's cool. So no one here is giant. Everyone here is kind of small, down to earth.
We haven't seen like
really
numbers
cool.
or anything, but it is really cool to meet each other and get to know each other's channels.
That might be the biggest ship.
We are at the port. We're going to head over to Terminal B. I guess there's 2 terminals for embarkment.
Yeah.
It says on your set sail pass, which one do you go to?
We are checking in just like any of you would check in if you came here. So we are going to give them our bags. We need to get tags to get on our bags so they can bring our bags to our room.
Oh, convenient. I like that.
That's it. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See you at the other side of the line.
Perfect.
That's it.
They have our bags. We're gonna go in the line and now check in. I mean, Josh and I have never been through this process, so we don't know what's happening.
It's kind of like an airplane boarding, but a little bit like hectic, more hectic.
Chaotic. Yeah, thankfully we got in like the front of the line, but it's just a big blob of people.
Yeah, look at this.
But I guess smooth sailing so far. But one of the coolest things was when we were rolling up, like you could see the ship in the port, and all the kids on our bus were like, "Wow, look how big it is!" Which it is giant.
Don't worry.
All right, we've passed security. We have public health questionnaire forms
Yeah, I
and a
have no
giant mess of people to continue checking in past.
Yeah, but it is like an airport. I mean, if you were going to go on an airplane, this is pretty much the same process.
Same process, yeah. Just a little different looking.
What? It's out here. We're going to see it for
This
the
is
first
the ship.
time.
This is the ship.
Oh. Oh my gosh.
It's too big. Oh, look at that.
Oh man! One of these rooms with these balconies could be our room. That's so cool.
Let's go find it. All right, we are past all the checkpoints, headed onto the ship.
I feel so small.
This ship is huge. I saw someone on the balcony, and they were small on the balcony. Plus, there's like 20 balconies around them.
And these boats that you have to get on,
Yeah.
the lifeboats, they look like spaceships.
Well, let's just hope we don't have to go to space.
No. This is it. I'm gonna step on it. Ready? I'm on it!
You're on the Symphony of the Seas, Ashley, for its maiden voyage. Well, inaugural, not maiden.
Inaugural. Look at all these balloons. Those are gonna have to come down at some point.
Oh, you want?
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, I want to be in here when those all come like floating around everyone. Dance party.
Oh yeah, they're tied up with nets.
Oh yeah,
They were
yeah.
decoration.
No, that's not decoration. That's party balloons.
Oh.
I'm familiar. We're just offered some champagne, and why not?
All right, let's continue on to our room. We didn't even make it out of the balloon hall. All right. Oh, look at this. There's a giant iPad-looking thing.
Cool.
Okay, so we're looking for 600. So stateroom locator.
Yeah. Oh.
600.
Go.
Oh, that's
Is
back.
that the go?
Wait.
Oh. Located.
Maybe you do 7600 because we're on 7th floor. So 7600. That's the trick. You gotta do the whole thing. Okay, turn by turn directions. Proceed along deck 7. Follow highlighted route to destination. So we got turn left here and then just go down here and it's on our right. Easy. All right, let's turn left. This is our door. This is the Endless Adventures door. We stole their key, and we're gonna leave. We're gonna leave a business card for them in their room. Wait, business card. Right here.
Quick, they're gonna go.
They're like right behind us. So.
Oh my gosh, that's hilarious.
Okay, we'll put this back.
Okay, so the way that it works is that your key cards are on these little signs.
Can I grab this without you dropping? Okay.
So we got our key card, and now we can get into our room.
Our room this time, not theirs.
How did they get on this whole ship right next to us? That's pretty crazy. This is like a couple's retreat.
Look at this.
Wow!
This is huge.
Oh my gosh, we have a couch.
So
We have a bed.
The
We have a
last
balcony.
the last cruise that we went on that was pretty janky. We were below deck with no windows and like a bunk room. This is nice. All right, we just got in here and right behind us are our bags.
Yeah, they spared no time. This is so easy.
Yes. All right.
Let's check out our balcony.
Yeah, let's go see it.
I'm so excited that this is our room for the next week. We can literally take our stuff out of our bags and like unpack and live in here for a week. That's so cool. It's big.
Dang.
Oh my gosh! I'm so excited. When we're out to sea, we'll see the ocean and the land.
And guess what? We're on the right side of the ship, which if I'm not mistaken, means that we will be seeing the land itself, because we're headed west. So I think we'll be able to actually see the land as we're going past it.
We'll see. I'm excited. Now, some of you do know that I get motion sickness. The girl Kiki that's helping us with Royal Caribbean, she said if you start feeling motion sickness, then go to the 5th floor to kind of like not feel it so much anymore, which is in the middle of the ship. Our room is on the 7th floor, so it's not very far from the middle of the ship, so I'm hoping that this is the best place for me to be, because I think that this is the closest to the middle of the ship that
Yeah,
they
just
have
about.
like the rooms. So, man, I'm so stoked. This is gonna be amazing. Look at this little ladybug. A cute little touch. I love it. So I can hang my clothes here. We have tons of shelving in here. Our own little TV. This is where I can do my makeup in the morning. Haven't even looked in the bathroom yet.
It's not tiny.
No.
I've been in smaller.
Okay, so the light doesn't work quite yet.
Wait, do we need to put our key card in the? Yeah, you gotta put the key card in the little switchy thing.
Guys, we don't stay in hotels or things very often.
There you go. Look at that.
What? It's actually really big. It has a nice sink here.
Yeah. Usually
A full
I
shower?
can't get like any shots of the bathroom because they're so small.
You could probably fit in here. Like your elbows would probably hit the thing when you're washing your hair, but
Not bad.
yeah, this is awesome.
It's well designed.
Little pod.
Another really cool thing about this is, as we mentioned before, this is the inaugural cruise. They've done like tiny little things. They've had dignitaries on board. They've had like travel agents checking the ship out and stuff. But this is the first real trip of the Symphony of Seas. And that means that this is the first time anyone has slept in that bed or used that toilet or shower. This is special. This is the first time using the stateroom. What are you doing over there?
Well, there's a bunch of things in here, like a breakfast menu.
Ashley's got ADD.
Okay, so I used to work room service, and this is the room service menu, and usually, like, one of the first things I check out when I go to a hotel is the room service menu, so that's pretty cool. Continental breakfast, American breakfast. Like, you can order things and put it on your door, and they will bring it to your room in the morning. We have to do that one in the mornings.
Okay.
For sure. And then we can have our breakfast out on our balcony.
All right.
This is gonna be crazy. There are like a bunch of restaurants. I can't wait. The next video we're gonna do a whole ship tour, but first we're gonna kind of get acquainted with the ship ourselves because this is giant.
And it's very new to us.
Yeah, we have never cruised before. So hey, if you have ever been on a cruise, let us know in the comments below. If you have any tips for us, we'd really appreciate that because all this is new to us, and we'd love to give tips to those who are new to cruising as well, but I know some of you have been, so let us know in the comments below. If you've never been on a cruise, let us know if you're interested or what you want to see on the ship. But I think we're just going to chillax right now until 5, huh? I don't even know what time it is right now.
1:30.
Well, we have a lot of time. Maybe we'll go walk around the ship and stuff.
Yeah. Ashley's spying on Eric and Allison.
I don't know that they know that we're right next to them. Like, they don't know that yet.
Who dare? Who dare?
Oh, hi.
My goodness.
Hi, Endless Adventure.
Are you guys really our neighbors?
We're actually your neighbors.
That's amazing.
So you guys can get your creep on real good.
Yeah, did you find our present?
You what?
We've already been in your room.
Yeah, okay. We were like, did they mix us up?
Guys, we came into our room and there's a little way business card. I was like, wow, you guys, your marketing game is on point.
Oh yeah, baby! Oh yeah! Going all out! Let the cruise begin! Woo!
We're on the 16th floor. We're gonna get some
This is
buffet stuff,
crazy.
but this is nuts.
This ship's kind of big.
Yeah.
It's kind of
I mean, I've
big.
seen bigger, but you know.
Have you?
It's
Have
fine,
you?
it'll do.
You know what we found out, Eric? This is 2 feet longer than the previous ship of its class.
Which
Yeah.
means
The 2 feet makes all the difference.
Yeah, that 2 feet. I mean, hey.
we're 2 centimeters, whatever.
Yeah.
Oh, you
Who's
measure by
counting?
centimeters, Eric? Is that? Yeah.
Feet.
Oh, feet. Okay, yeah.
First meal of the day.
Do you have that swag for sale anywhere?
Amazon.com, baby. Just kidding. It's
Actually,
not.
yeah, I was gonna say that'd be kind of
It's not
fun.
there.
Is it the endlessadventure.com/shop?
Store?
Store?
Maybe.
Okay. All right.
The ship is about to take off out of port in Barcelona. We're headed to France, to Marseille next. So, yeah, it's supposed to be a big old party.
In fact, we have been invited to Dazzles for a private event to watch the ship set sail from
We're gonna have
Barcelona.
appetizers and some drinks.
I don't know if everyone's noticed how fancy Ashley is. Her pronunciation on appetizers was perfect.
Appetizers. Porting everything to this island, so everything.
Oh, absolutely. Well, mine you ever experienced that.
All right, we have set sail. This is the Mediterranean.
We're on the water!
This is beautiful. We left Barcelona. Tonight we're headed to Marseille in France.
So.
I believe it's Marseille that we're headed
Yeah.
to. We have had so much to eat and drink. We are stuffed. We are tired. We're on a different time zone. We're going to relax rest for the rest of the night. I'm gonna edit this, get it up for you guys tomorrow morning, and
man.
we
Yeah.
have cool polished videos probably coming next, where we're gonna give you a full tour of the actual boat instead of just camera shaky all over like this, right?
Today was an adventure day. We were starting something brand new that we've
Yeah.
never done before, and we're making all new friends. So it's been great.
Yep, so Wave Fam, I hope we encouraged you to get out there and travel today. Come, stay on the Symphony of the Seas, the currently largest cruise ship in the world.
Current.
Oh, we've been making sea jokes all day and didn't even know it. Like,
What the
there's
ship?
a sea of people. Like, all right, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.